The next step is making the experience, means manifesting the Paramadvaita Anubhuti, enlightenment, Jivan Mukti, Paramashiva's state, Paramashiva's space, Paramashiva's powers, Paramashiva's being, Paramashiva's super consciousness, and Paramashiva's Kailasa, Paramashiva's Maha Kailasa. All this should be democratized. With Paramashiva's grace, we will achieve all this in this year. We will democratize, make it available for whole humanity. The state of Paramashiva, the space of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, super consciousness of Paramashiva, Maha Kailasa of Paramashiva to the whole world using everything, all resources available.